Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
What's up? What's up?
So tomorrow's Valentine's Day. And
I love
you too, Pocket.
myself.
That's messed up. But yeah, so tomorrow's Valentine's Day, but we're gonna actually celebrate it tonight, right now.
Right now, let me tell you why. Everybody gonna do it tomorrow.
That's true. That is true.
I mean, you don't have to do it on Valentine's Day. You know, you can do it the day before, the day before, the day before. Everybody gonna be scrambling tomorrow. Oh, gotta get something, gotta go somewhere. We're gonna do it tonight, because tomorrow they gonna have the prices gonna go up some places. I mean, they gonna cut some people some deals, but they gonna cut the steak about this little big, little bitty big steak. We ain't gonna name no businesses.
So, anyways, we're going to do a few things. Actually, this is kind of like I guess a challenge, you would say.
Yeah. Okay. So we in college. You know,
if y'all didn't know, yeah, we are in college.
We're in college.
We're seniors.
We're broke college students. Broke. Okay. And we want to save our money. We want to take trips and stuff like that. So we can't just go out and buy $200 Valentine's dates no more. We can't buy Uggs and stuff like that. So
we're gonna come up with some options. Well, we already came up with some options. So we're going to do a few things, and we're gonna put the cost of it down below, somewhere down here.
Yeah. So basically, we want to get a gift.
Yeah, we're gonna get a gift.
Something fun to do, and somewhere to eat. Hopefully around
under 40.
Under 40. Everything under 40. You know what I'm saying? What you get last time? That was pretty good.
Oh, y'all, we forgot to say, okay, so we're at
Saffron.
thank you.
Thank you, sir.
What's up? What is it? The Indian restaurant.
Yeah, saffron.
Thanks.
Show them the stuff.
Y'all, this place is so pretty. So pretty. It's beautiful. Thank you, honey bunny.
You're welcome. Hey.
Hey, Kellik. I'm what you get in? I want to get, I don't know, they got Indian tea, but I don't like tea. I think I'm going to get
Some vegan stuff, your vegan folk,
I
latte.
think I'm going to get the lobster. I'm going to try the lobster.
Goat. You getting what?
The lobster. You can get it, it's a yogurt thing. The chicken tikka masala, garlic naan, but you got broccoli. I'm broccoli.
On the side. That was part of the budget. Okay. So we're on stop number 2.
This is our fun activity.
Fun activity.
And our fun activity is... You gonna show them?
I'm gonna show them.
Okay, show them.
Round 1. It's new in Greensboro. It's basically a big old arcade with a bowling alley, pool tables, and all sorts of stuff. Built right here in front of Four Seasons Mall.
Let's go. I hope it's... Oh, they got ice cream.
You know you done messed up, right?
It made me put away my pride.
Okay, guys.
So,
Karaoke's over.
and I'm tired. We got homework to do.
Tired. Got homework. I got an exam to take tonight. You don't want to know what time it is. You don't want to know what's due.
But,
Just it's some college stuff.
okay. But we had so much fun. Like, I think, like, we didn't even get to all of it. Like, they have so much stuff. So, maybe the next time we come, we'll vlog everything and maybe do, I don't know, maybe a review of the games. But, that's all for today.
Honestly, it's too many games. To
Yeah,
review.
it's so much. Well, that's true.
It's
That
not
is true.
happening.
But yeah.
This place is bigger than Dave and Buster's.
And yeah, it is. But yeah, so now we're gonna go home and we're gonna see you guys later.
All right, see you guys. Bye.
Bye. Give me a kiss. Mwah. Bye, y'all.